Happy holidays, guys.
From
this
what?
is from the Waldrons, but Rashi and Wally vlogs. I want to take the time out to wish everyone a happy holiday or a Merry Christmas, and I hope you're all at home enjoying this one with your family, right? And making the best of this special day. I am definitely a Christmas person. We're there in our colors with the Christmas hat, and Jaden is there, right? Getting ready to eat some lovely meal. My lovely wife here has prepared
a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. She has prepared a lot of stuff, guys. So trust me, Jingle Bells is here from Rashi and Wally, and we're just here hanging out with you guys, hoping that you're making the best. Well, it's now after 4, so I know a lot of persons home would have already prepared their meal or just doing their last minute touches or finishing touches to make sure that they achieve excellence and everyone who they have over can enjoy the meal. We have done the same. We don't have any visitors, but we still maintain the tradition to have a lot of stuff prepared and to show to our
audience,
our subscribers, right? Our valued subscribers. So we want to show them what we have prepared. And yeah, that's it. Where I say, Holmes?
Why? We can't wait to eat and just show you a bit of what we have prepared.
Yeah, man.
Importing a big time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The thing shot, man. The thing shot. Right, Jada?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And right now, too, a matter of fact, we go over one of our little friend them house and go have a nice time, right? We've been invited to a Christmas party or a Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
Right? So we're going to go over there and go have a full jar. I they hold a selfie stick still. I don't know what a shake still, but I go and hold it. You know? Yeah, man. So we'll go over there and have a nice time. But we still going to show you what going on. Watch what going on now. Yeah, guys. We got the famous turkey there. Well cooked for hours, right?
Right, and it's dosed in what is sauce name? Guava sauce.
Yeah.
With a bit of celery at the side.
Boy, I have to take a bite still. We got a lovely shrimp with corn. That's garlic shrimp. Garlic shrimp with corn and some mozzarella cheese and some other spices to make sure that it's tasty. Take off the covers them now. Come on, take a bite quick, you know, you have the food that's here up in our place.
Alright.
And we there, talk.
And I have
yeah, man, oxtail.
Oxtail.
Have you have an oxtail? Yeah, man. Take off the cover, take off each cover. I'll just show them because we're going to take a small bite before we run out. Nothing full of belly because we're going to eat some food. For shot people. Yeah, man, you don't want it for a restaurant. This like, what do you call it? For order.
Catering.
Catering. Yeah, man. Take a good look on it. Curry shot. Yeah, man, cayenne pepper, everything bring out the flavor. And rice and peas. Well fluffy and well shelly. Yeah, man, the shrimp are one of the highlights and still. Today we are cook Jada say, yo, so much food I cook.
Yeah.
How we gonna eat them food there?
All of us.
Of course,
So vegetables.
my.
This is broccoli and cauliflower.
Cheese!
With mozzarella cheese. And what is the herb called, Jermaine?
Oregano.
Oregano sauce. Herb. And this
Bring
is
that over.
the
And
jerk barbecue. Jerk
Hear that?
barbecue.
jerk barbecue.
Yeah, leg and thigh pieces, and it's garnished with honey garlic sauce.
Cheese!
Yeah, and we got 4 batches of cake, small batches.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
don't feel like say yo, me come around
we
from the right
basically
angle.
almost finished.
Yeah, don't feel like say the cake thing no shot. The cake shot too. The side them look a bit brown, but if you cut it still.
Yeah.
Cut piece, it look a bit brown, but it moist. I don't know how it looks so brown like it burn, but it don't burn. Yeah, so why for this? So she'll cut her cake and she want to go on.
So, I want to show you say it moist, you know.
Yeah. They want to see
You see, we almost finished.
Really good like that. Yeah, man, as my uncle that say, yo, good like that.
Big up yourself, uncle.
Big up yourself, Pong from Connecticut straight.
Basically, more than half of the cake gone. So look here now. Look on the moisture, you see it?
Look
Some
nice, I'm
cake?
gummy still.
That is some nice ice cream.
Hmm?
Looks nice.
Bam, watch him what you eat.
Let me see the cake.
Bam, watch him what you eat. You know what cake?
You eat today.
Yeah, but yeah.
Jaden said it has a lot of rum in it. You know one junk. And guys, the wine, the port wine that we bought, it worked out good. What name Cupkey? Big up Cupkey. Port
yeah.
wine, it worked out.
Where's the
I'm gonna
buckle?
show you the
You
bottle.
need to show the buckle still because trust
Show you
me,
the bottle.
I never expect that at all.
Here it is. So me have just a little bit left. It was good. You can
Yeah,
buy
man.
it. Substitute for the
Red label.
The red label wine. Good substitute.
And a good thing we never choose the other one. And it's cheap. $15 and some cents a bottle.
And they added the ginger to it and the pimento seed. It turned up.
Yeah man, so it's a good look, people. Christmas up.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas 2021.
We're gonna eat some food. So you know we're gonna run. Big up on yourself. Enjoy Christmas with your family. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. Merry Christmas and what them all say, a blessed new year, a happy new year, and hope it be prosperous. It brings you success and everything that is good. God bless. Thank you. What good.
Yeah, your boy there. Wally. We outside or we inside?
We're inside. And
Outside. Yeah man, outside. We're going to take a one bite and show you what go on. Lighting. Yes, a bit of lighting. You me see that way dish out for me?
Just a little bit. You know when your belly full. Forgot
Somebody dinner, yeah. But as me say my people, yeah man, I have to take a taste. I can't just run out so left this. Just a taste of curry. Put a taste of curry on it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And 2 pieces of shrimp. I'm not even going to touch the turkey. Don't go there night. If me not full car, the man they are real food man, so you know, so I'm not normal. Yeah, I'm not normal people. I never touch this. I mean also this is excellent because wife make really good barbie fry, beef chicken, just the works. Once it in her over, she shot.
So this is the
shrimp. Just me no more than that. You're good with that. Good with that. As much as that look a bit that older space the same way. Yeah, people, so.
Jaden.
You need to sell them out now. Yeah, man. You need to sell them out now.
Yeah? It's good, right?
Yeah, man, that one, man. All the road, I go on food, not you say, man.
Food supposed to taste better at home. Not so.
Between shot, man.
You know how it tastes, Jay?
Real good.
People just a small share. I tell you, what I go on. Me prepare the shrimp still.
That's my son.
Right
Got
now,
food,
somebody
you know.
if you don't have a wife like this, can cook some nice food and also nothing.
In my butt. Ooh.
Yeah, but on a serious note though, a whole person's really take the time out to spend some time with family, no matter how short the time is, and reflect on the happenings of the year and try to capitalize on it.
Most certainly. Most certainly.
For sure.
Watch foodie.
When
He don't like the camera because he's like that.
The man them who invent them thing are great because when the greatest thing you can cook, finish cook, you wash up all of your pot them and everything and share out everything and the work finish.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the food flavorful.
How is the sorrel?
Not taste the sorry, right? But I just want a review for your sorry.
No must. I soon have more people over to give me a good review.
The sorrel, delicious.
What you tasting? What kind of flavors?
Not too sweet, just a sorrel taste. And it tastes the wine and everything.
You taste the ginger?
And the ginger, but the ginger not heavy though.
Okay. Don't want it too overwhelming over the
You don't
sorrel.
taste too much ginger.
Like it a scorch your throat. We're not clearing any arteries. See, my foodie son, from a baby, him love food, you know. I'm sorry for him wife, she better can cook. Because him mother standard eye.
Can you imagine if you go pick up a white man?
That can't cook, because some can cook. Hey, I guess he won't leave me house for food. So I'm going to my mom, right? What you gonna say, Jaden? I'm going to my mom, right?
Man, you left it for them thing where you go for your mother house, go eat food.
Yeah.
You better hide and do that.
And that happened to you?
Just get some coffee.
Yeah. Woo.
My mother top chef in the people.
Yeah, true.
So we can look for food and tell if it good.
I true that still. Top chef.
I don't taste when I cook. You taste when I cook?
No. Only sometimes. I taste though when I season.
Yes, If me a finish, I'm not sure though me it taste.
But anything where you do repetitively, most likely you can do it out of your head. So you kinda know the woman them when I cook regular.
They might feel wrong no taste. Every 5 minutes they might taste something.
Yeah, and not only that, even for the baking for me, last night we did have to check back the cookbook because I never remember at what point you add the egg versus the flour because I'm not doing it a while. It's like I not bake regular. I only mostly bake like just the cup the cake them name? The little box cake where you just add egg. But like for the thing from scratch, the last time I bake was last year. So hopefully in the new year because I save some of the sorrel, I think I'm gonna take on the sorrel cake to see if I can do it, you know? Anyways, we'll close the day, run out here now and go other eating. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from our family to yours. What Jaden? Jaden, we have to say hello you eat. He's lost for words. What you saying, son?
It's a wonderful dinner.
Tastes really nice.
Yeah? Okay.
Nice, huh? Even the shrimp with the cheese and so on.
Love shrimp.
It's good, right? What are you saying in closing? You're closing this video, Jermaine.
Alright guys, I'm just telling you, food a bit peppery, but
So good.
it's a really nice meal. I hope everyone are at home, or on the street, wherever you are, as long as it is with someone who you value, whether it's a friend or a family or even a new friend, right? Because we're entering into a new year and sometimes you need to meet new people, you need to have new engagements and set some new priorities. So I'm just saying happy holidays, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes, alright? And this is from Rashi and Wally Vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment and tell me what you like. Tell me if you like what I'm going for our Christmas setting. Next year for sure, a party me I keep. Won't be like this, but this is our traditional way. Cook some food, right? And have some fun. So, see you next.
If oxtail not on the menu, it not keep for Jermaine.
If oxtail on the menu, it not keep. So guys, we're out.
Peace. Bye.